this announcement from yesterday. The repo of the vulnerable MCP servers is almost ready and will be made public tomorrow. The repo contains 9 different MCP servers written in Node and Python. There are a couple of remote MCP servers as well. Each MCP server has a folder of its own with detailed instructions to set up and attack, along with the explanation of the vulnerabilities that are present in that particular MCP server. Vulnerabilities covered with this repo align with my BSides London workshop and include local file system boundary manipulation, indirect prompt injection via local and remote MCP servers, eval-based RCEs, malicious tools, typo squatting, supply chain attacks, PI exposure, and a Wikipedia streamable HTTP remote MCP that's vulnerable to public content injection, untrusted public content injection leading to prompt injection. Right? Follow us in LinkedIn to be notified of the release tomorrow.